Hello, we are playing a good game of hide and go seek. Here's my assistant, Freddy. Well, you can't really see him. I'll turn on the lights now. There's Freddy is, but he's not going to really help us, so let's go on the hunt for Chloe and Tracy.
Ladies first.
Alright, we just heard something. Oh, here's our dog, Louie. And our dog, Lexi. Here she is. Okay, we just heard something in this room. Creepy, creepy room.
Now we need to find Chloe. Where is Chloe?
Now let's go find Chloe. She
Come on.
No, you cannot.
You can. I can't.
No, you can't.
Ladies